In this quick video, I'll show you how to restore your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive in a few steps. If you find this video useful, subscribe for more videos like this and like this video. Before we begin, make sure you are using the same Google account and phone number that you used to back up your chats. Step number 1, install WhatsApp. You are going to go on Play Store and download and install WhatsApp. Step number 2, you're going to verify your phone number. Open WhatsApp and enter your phone number. You will receive an SMS code. Enter it to verify. Step number 3, restoring your backup. After verification, WhatsApp will detect a backup from Google Drive. To restore, you're going to tap on Restore and wait while your chats and media load. And that's it. Your WhatsApp is back to normal with all your chats and media restored. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tech videos like this. Like it and share it with someone who it might help. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.